Hello everyone. Hey gosh, this is a strange image, isn't it? What do you think it is? Looks a bit like a load of birds. If we start at the bottom, we've got a chicken. This one is a nuthatch, a woodpecker, a goose, a pelican, a cardinal with his crest, an upside down chick, a hornbill, a parrot, and a fat wood pigeon at the top. 10 birds. Now, if you focus on this eye and squint, can you see a man? Here's his nose and his lips. And what a strange shape it makes. A bit like an island. A bit like the island of Alcatraz. So we've got birds, man, Alcatraz. That gives me an idea. We could make a poster of Burt Lancaster in Birdman of Alcatraz. Do you know what? I think I'll do that.